Today is a wonderful opportunity for us to live one of our 6 core values: we conserve. At Go2Africa, we get to send our travelers to some of the most cherished places on earth. These places need our protection as much as our support. It's really important for us to find ways that we can live our value right in our own backyard of Cape Town.
Today we're at Highlands Primary and partaking in a planting day as part of a staff initiative linked to Greenpop.
Greenpop started off as an urban greening organization, planting trees in the urban centers in Cape Town, but we've since expanded and now we're planting fynbos in Cape Town, and we're doing a lot of reforestation projects in South Africa. But our biggest overarching mission would be to connect people with nature and to make sure that people stay active and not anxious. The Fynbos for the Future is our urban greening program in Cape Town. We plant fynbos biodiversity gardens at schools on the Cape Flats, which also double as outdoor classrooms. And we do that over 6 plant days, and each plant day the kids join us, sponsors join us, and everyone gets their fingers and their hands dirty and plant some beautiful fynbos plants.
I love that planting trees and regreening urban areas is such a symbol of hope and shows that a small act can make a big difference.
Go2Africa and Greenpop have entered into a pledge partnership. What this means is that for every Go2Africa traveller that comes through to the Cape area of South Africa and visits one of our preferred positive impact partners here, trees are going to be planted in the Eilenkral Valley Restoration Project as part of Greenpop's reforestation program. What we're trying to achieve with this is to create a virtuous cycle in which our conscious travellers are being onboarded to our own We Conserve value through their support of positive impact initiatives.
As an NGO, we rely heavily on people as amazing as Go2Africa to allow us to do the work that we do. They not only sponsored this plant day that we had today, that allowed us to plant about 90 fynbos plants, and some of them endangered as well, and work with these amazing kids. They also allow us to plant trees as part of our Forest for Life program. So an organization like Go2Africa really allows us to make a fantastic impact in Africa.
We believe we really can make a difference and can be part of like a proper positive impact drive that we want to make part of our culture, and part of our DNA. And we're at the beginning, it's the first water drop, but yeah, planning to make it a lot bigger than it is right now.